Hi guys. So in this section we will discuss about audio tag. So this is new tag in HTML5. Okay. So audio tag will be used like you want to play any song or any media on web page. So for this audio tag you have to use audio tag, and this control is very important. Audio control that means like you want to play or pause the song or minimize the voice or something, you can do this thing. So this control will come, and then source is nothing but where is your mp3 file. Okay, here I'm using mp3. You can use any kind of format, just you have to confirm that that format is supported by your web browser. Okay, and then closing. Okay, so that way you can put any songs or something on web browser. Okay, so let's test this. We'll go here, and this is audio file. Now you see, you can see this song. You can, this audio control will come, you can to play, you pause, is volume, you can do so. It's a simple way to start thing. Okay, thank you.